Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're going to talk about your thoughts, the way you want to change your circumstances. With our thoughts and our affirmations and things that we do, we can change our circumstances. Many people think they're stuck, but they're not. Ask yourself what it is that you want to change. Do you want to change your finances, your relationships in your family, your car you drive, the house you live in? Individually, start working on these things. Start writing your affirmations out. I am abundant. I am prosperous. I am moving to my new house. I am buying whatever car that it is that you want or truck. I am doing the things I love to do. I am attracting high-paying clients in my coaching career. Go ahead and make a list of what it is that you want to change in your own life and start writing your affirmations around that. And I apologize for that sound. That's my computer. I would suggest that you really think about everything you want to change in your life and just make you separate lists. You can run them together. It doesn't matter. But at first, make the list of specific things you want to see changed. Maybe you and your husband, wife, or partner aren't getting along too well. Well, one of the things I find very helpful that I learned from someone else is concentrate on what they do right. Write it down. Even you don't have to give it to them. Just write a letter in your journal to the person that you're with or whoever is bugging you, and concentrate on what they do right. Do they sometimes do the dishes? Do they clean the bathroom? Do they keep the car clean? There has to be some qualities in that person, be it generosity, kindness, whatever, that you can bring forth and concentrate on. Train. There is a way to concentrate on this stuff and write your affirmations out that I'm so happy and grateful that my husband, my wife, my partner does X, Y, Z, and concentrate on that. And your letter to them should be concentrating on their good points. Don't mention the bad points. And the reality of this is you're concentrating on their good points to bring out more good points. And I understand some people are in situations that it's very difficult to do. But in all relationships, even with your children, you can bring in more of what you appreciate in them. It will show up in your circumstances right now. And for your money, you can change it. Start writing your affirmations for your money, your prosperity. Use I am often, and be careful of how you're using it other than your affirmations. A lot of people will go around, I am sick. Well, guess what? They are, and they will be if there aren't. And the I ams are powerful. Very powerful, because you're calling into existence a lot of stuff that you probably don't realize and don't want. So you want to be very careful there and use it to your advantage. You can say, I am buying my dream home on 20 acres out in the country. I am attracting a new job, a new way of life, a new place to live, whatever it is that you want. But I want to strive that you can and you have the power to co-create with our universe, with God, with the divine. You can co-create and make the life you want to live. So with that being said, I'm just going to leave it here and leave that food for thought. And I'm here if you need some help. You can write below in the comments section and I will get it. And I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you. And God bless you all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.